In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download an Expensify report. We'll walk through this from inside the web app, starting from the main dashboard after you've logged into your account. The goal is to show you exactly where to click so you can quickly download any expense report you need, either as a file for your records or to share with your finance team. First, from the main Expensify screen, look for the section where you can view your different types of items, like expenses and reports. You want to go to the Reports area. Depending on your layout, this might be on the left-hand sidebar or across the top menu. Click on Reports to open the list of all available expense reports in your account. Once the Reports page loads, you'll see a list of reports, usually sorted by date. Take a moment to find the specific report you want to download. You can scroll through the list, or if you have a lot of reports, you may want to use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by name and date or status. When you've found the correct report, click directly on its name or row. This opens the detailed view of that specific report. Inside the report, you'll see all the line items, amounts, dates, and any attached receipts. To download this report, look for a menu labeled More. This is usually located near the top right area of the report screen. Click on the More option to reveal additional actions you can take with the report. If you don't see the download options immediately, check that you've fully opened the expanded More menu. Sometimes you may need to click More again or look for a drop-down arrow that reveals all available actions. The download-related options are often grouped together in this extended menu. Once the full menu is visible, look for an option labeled Export. Clicking Export will typically allow you to download the report in a format like CSV or another file type that works well with spreadsheets or accounting software. This is useful if you plan to analyze the data further or import it into another system. If you prefer a ready-to-share document, look for the option labeled Download as PDF. Click Download as PDF to generate a clean, printable version